All right, welcome back to Elements of Calculus 2. We are now doing problem 1b. Okay, let's have a look at this. We have our 3x squared y plus 2y cubed dx dy. We're going to try to integrate it over this region. Okay, in this case, I put a little x equals 0 and a little y equals 0 here so that you would know, like just to remind you, like integrate the x parts first, and then we can go ahead and deal with that. So let's go ahead and integrate with respect to x. So we're going to keep our y 0 to 2. Go ahead and integrate the x. So we have 3x cubed over 3 times y. Y is treated as a constant, plus 2x y cubed. Again, the 2y cubed was treated as a constant. So we integrate with respect to x. We ended up getting an x there. We still have a dy, and we're going to go from 0 to 1. There's a little cleanup we can do here, right? 3 over 3. So we have integral from 0 to 2. The 3 over 3 cancels, so we have x cubed y plus 2xy cubed. Now, we have an x cubed and a y cubed. We can't really combine those, but we can go from 0 to 1 as far as x goes, dy. So these are x goes from 0 to 1. So let's go ahead and plug that in. So we're going to have equals 0 to 2. So we're going to have 1 cubed minus 0 cubed, and this is all times y. Okay, we're going to say plus 2, and we have 1 minus 0 in here times y cubed. And at the very end of this, we're going to have dy because we haven't integrated with y yet. Okay, so it's one of those things you got to remember. So let's go ahead and clean this up. So we have 1 cubed minus 0, so that's just going to be 1. So my integral is going to turn out to be 0 to 2. 1 minus 0 is 1, so we have y, right, all times y here. 1 minus 0 here is just going to be 1 times 2, so we have plus 2y to the third dy. All right, now we are ready to integrate with respect to y. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 1 half y squared, right, y squared over 2, plus 2y to the fourth all over 4, and we are going from 0 to 2. All right, so let's see what's going to happen with that. We have 1 half y squared. 2 over 4 is also 1 half y to the fourth going from 0 to 2. All right, so we can go ahead and plug that in. So that's going to be a 1 half. We have a 2 squared minus 0 squared here, plus a 1 half, and then we have a 2 to the fourth minus 0 to the fourth. And then we just have to go ahead and evaluate this stuff. So we have 1 half. 2 squared is 4 minus 0, right? It's just going to be 4. Plus 1 half, 2 to the fourth power. Well, 2 to the third was 8. So 2 times 2 is going to be 16. So we're going to have 16 here minus 0. Okay, so we're going to have 1 half times 4, which is 2, plus 1 half times 16, which is 8. And we're going to get an answer of 10. All right, so I hope those are working out for us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one, and good luck studying with everything.